Hi friends, today we are going to talk about jute bags as the topic. One main thing to keep in mind when you always work on jute bags is that jute bags are not cheap, they're expensive, which means this cannot be probably used for non-Basmati rice. Basmati is a high value product. A little bit of creativeness, little bit of designs are required. So if you see in the rice industry, majority of the brands, if they use jute bags, they use it in Basmati bags. And the other application is that if you're using these jute bags within your warehouse for repacking and reuse, then normally people tend to use jute bags. Otherwise, for non-Basmati, because the price range of this non-Basmati is anywhere between starting, say for example 23 rupees for a Swarna rice up to, say for example, Sona Masuri and Kolam, which is up to 44 to 45 to 50 rupees per kg, right? So normally in these kind of price range rice, the jute bags are not used. So then Basmati is the great product option for using jute bags, right? It gives a very authentic feeling that this rice has come from the farm, that's the feeling that it gives. In jute bags, there are, if you see, two shades of jute bags. One which is more lighter in color, and one jute bags which is very dark in color, right? Based on your preferences, you can choose any. Normally, a jute bag will cost you anywhere between 40 to 45 rupees. So it is almost kind of 50 cents, right? Half a dollar is one bag, right? So if you are actually, you should know that if you are actually packing a 25 kg jute bag, right? Because the bag cost about 40 to 45 rupees, it is almost 2 rupees per kg is going to be your bag cost itself. And then there has to be prints on the jute bags, right? I mean, everybody wants to do some branding around this, which is also possible. Now, while doing this print, you should know that this is not something like BOPP or a multicolored BOPP where you can do a great design print on the jute bags. Yes, you can have 2 or 3 colors. Those are plates which is actually, there are plates which is designed and then printed on the jute bags, where your print is then going to stick on the jute bags, and that's how jute bags are printed. Now, if you are into any kind of, majorly export business, a lot of customers from the Middle East country do actually prefer jute bags. There are a few things regarding jute bags that you have to also keep in mind, which is, if in case during transit your packaging your product during the bags get wet, then jute bags will easily absorb the water, right? Which means the product damage is very, very easy in this kind of a case. In this case, there is also another advantage, right? During the shipment, when these bags are stuffed into the container and fumigation is done, because the jute bags has normally holes in it, minute holes in it, the fumigation is absorbed very, very easily by the product inside, right? Because the bags easily absorb the outside conditions, that is why if it is water, it easily absorbs water. If it is fumigation, it very easily absorbs fumigation. So if it is water, it is risky. If it is fumigation, it is very good. The product will easily absorb, and weevils and insects will be at bay, right? So very strategically, as I said, there are 2 main things to work on, right? So it's a very clear yes for Basmati rice, because it's going to be an expensive high value rice. Your Basmati is going to be anywhere between, say, 80 rupees a kg to about 100 rupees a kg. So that kind of margins, that kind of price points will work for it'll work for jute bags for Basmati, right? So normally these because it is Basmati, it is going to be north of India, right? Punjab, Karnal, Haryana, these kind of places is where your Basmati is going to be packed. So there are a lot of suppliers who are based in north, from Punjab to Delhi, right? Is there a minimum order quantity? Is there how else do you work on jute bags? Is there a stitching? How does the stitching happens? And there's a lot of things that will go into this jute bags. My friends, I hope you liked this information that came about jute bags. If you have any questions, do please share with us and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching this jute bag videos. I hope you liked it. Very soon we are coming up with the video for BOPP bags. So stay tuned, share this information with your friends. We'll speak soon.